Today we're checking out the Atturo AZ850 Ultra High Performance tire in size 305/35/R20 for the Challenger. This tire is a great option for Challenger owners looking to improve grip, steering response, and overall performance with a high performance street tire that balances handling and daily drivability. All right, the standout feature of this Atturo AZ850 is its asymmetric, ultra high performance tread design tailored for modern muscle cars. The outer shoulder blocks are large and rigid, delivering strong lateral grip during aggressive cornering and helping the Charger feel more responsive and planted. 4 deep grooves effectively evacuate water, reducing the risk of hydroplaning and improving wet weather performance. Meanwhile, the center rib helps maintain straight line stability at higher speeds and sharp responsiveness, ideal for highway cruising and some aggressive driving. The inner tread features enhanced water dispersion channels, improving traction and brake performance in wet conditions. This combination ensures confidence in all weather while maintaining a sporty character. Constructed with high tensile steel belt and reinforced carcass, the AZ850 minimizes heat buildup during fast driving and helps promote even wear. Despite its performance focus, the tire delivers a comfortable, quiet ride, making it suitable for daily driving as well as some occasional track use. This tire is going to feature a heavyweight construction with a high tensile steel belt and engineered rubber compounds for strength and heat resistance. These reinforced sidewalls provide stability under load and improve steering precision during aggressive driving. The compound is formulated for a balance of traction, durability, and ride quality. As far as the pricing goes on these, they're coming in right around that low $200 price range per tire. For an ultra high performance street tire that offers excellent grip, wet weather confidence, and longevity, it represents a strong value, especially for Charger owners looking for an affordable performance upgrade. Tire installation requires professional mounting and balancing systems, so it's best to take them into a shop with the proper equipment. But once they're mounted on your wheels, they are a direct fit replacement for your Challenger. All right, that wraps up my review of the Atturo AZ850 Ultra High Performance tire in size 305/35/R20 for the Challenger. And for all things Challenger, keep it right here at American Muscle.